Hi, and welcome to Urban Sketching in Burano, Pen and Watercolour Essentials. We've all been to places that stick with us, whether it be a new city, town, or even a nearby park. It's easy to take photos, but how can we preserve that memory in an easy, unique way? In this class, we're going to learn how to draw and paint a lively Burano urban landscape. By the end, you'll feel confident to draw and paint your very own urban landscape from any photo. We'll go through simple sketching techniques in pencil and eventually pen. This will form the foundation for our final illustration and painting. Once you're happy with your ink drawing, it's time to add some life to it. Splashes of colour adds personality and depth. I'll walk you through my simple two-step process to paint anything. It's easy. First, you paint the lighter areas, such as the sky or the sunlight on the buildings. Wait for it to dry, then add the darker shadows and colours. Anyone can do it, you included. So join me in this class. I'm excited to get started and share with you my knowledge on creating an amazing urban landscape sketch.